All right, today we are working with division, and I'm going to show you how to divide using the area model. Now, if you want to go and use the traditional area model that we did in class, go right ahead. But as you should have watched that first video, I found a really cool way that may help us find our quotient using the area model that might be a little bit easier for us. So, a new way, I guess we could say. So if we have the problem 216 divided by 4, we are going to set up our boxes. Okay, granted my box isn't the greatest. And we're going to just split up into 3 parts. Think of this part as the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. Like this would be 200, 10, and 16 to make it 216. And our divisor, or our smaller number, is going to go on the side just like it did before. And I'm going to write our dividend, 216, over on the side. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to see, okay, in the hundreds, I have 200. How many times can 4 go into 200? Well, because I know my math facts, I know 5 times 4 is 20. But I need my 20 to be 200, so I place a 0 after the 20, and then I place the 0 after the 5. So 50 times 4 is 200. Then I'm immediately going to take that 200 and subtract it from my dividend, which is 216. So I'm going to go 200 minus 216, and that gives me 16. Okay. Then I look to see what I have left. I have 16 left. I look at my tens place value. I have 110. Okay. So can a 4 fit inside a 1? No, it can't. So I'm going to put a 0 there. My 4 can't fit inside that 1. So I then I look at that whole number as 16. Ooh, well, that's one that I know. So now I have like 16 ones. Well, I know that 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 minus 16 is 0. So I have nothing left. Okay, well, if I look at my numbers on the top now, it looks like I have the number 5004. Nope. Just like previously, we have to add these numbers up to figure out what 216 divided by 4 is. So I have 50 plus 0 plus 4. Well, that's 54. So my quotient is 54. Now, if I really want to double check my work to make sure, we can take our quotient of 54 and multiply it by our divisor, and we should get our dividend, which is 216. So let's try it. 54 times 4. You can practice using any math method of multiplication you'd like. 4 times 4 is 16. So far, so good. 216, and we have a 6. Here, the 1. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. Hey, we have 216. On the next slide, I want you to try 2 problems using this style of area model. Please refer back to both videos and try it. Good luck.